Many people believe that remembering everything from the past, the pain, the joy, and all the memories makes them wise. But we often forget something important. Carrying the past with us all the time doesn't make us stronger. Sometimes, real peace comes only when we learn to let go. This story is a small reflection of life, a reminder that living in the present is the only way to move forward. And when you finish listening, ask yourself one simple question. Am I living in the present, or am I still stuck in my past? Once upon a time, in a quiet village near the mountains, there lived a young traveler named Arun. Arun loved to explore new places. Everywhere he went, he collected small stones from the ground. Each stone, he said, held a story. When something happy happened, he picked up a bright, shiny stone. When something sad happened, he took a dark one. He kept all those stones in a brown leather bag that hung over his shoulder wherever he went. Every stone is part of my life, Arun would say proudly. I don't want to forget any of them. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, and that bag grew heavier. At first he didn't mind. He believed those stones made him wiser. But soon his steps became slower. His back started to ache. Sometimes he couldn't even climb small hills. Still, he refused to leave the bag behind. It's my life, he told himself. These memories are who I am. One evening, while crossing a long road, Arun met an old monk resting under a tree. The monk looked at him kindly and said, "You look tired, young man. What are you carrying?" Arun smiled weakly. "These stones are my memories, my whole life." The monk nodded slowly and asked, "Do you feel lighter because of them or heavier?" Arun stayed quiet. For the first time, he did not know how to answer. The monk pointed to the sky and said, "Birds can fly freely because they carry nothing. If they held stones like yours, they'd never leave the ground. Your past is like that bag, Arun. It teaches you for a while, but after that, you must set it down." Arun looked at his bag and felt confused. How could he let go of something that had been with him for so long? Days passed. The journey became harder. The bag felt like a mountain on his shoulders. One stormy night, he tried to climb a rocky path, but his legs gave up. The heavy bag pulled him down. He fell to the ground, the stones spilling all around him. Lying there, Arun began to cry. He realized the truth the monk had tried to tell him. The memories he thought were helping him were actually holding him back. Slowly he stood up. He took one last look at the stones and whispered, "Thank you for what you taught me, but I have to move on now." He left the bag behind and started walking with empty hands. The next morning, for the first time in years, he felt light. The wind touched his face. He could see the road clearly again. The mountains looked brighter than ever. And from that day on, Arun never carried a single stone again. He carried only what was needed: a smile, hope, and the courage to keep going. Whenever someone asked about his journey, he would say, "The past is a teacher, not a prison. Learn from it and then let it go." This story reminds us of something simple yet powerful. Whether our memories are happy or painful, we shouldn't hold them forever. The more we carry the past, the heavier our hearts become. We stop enjoying the present. We stop dreaming about the future. Just like Arun, many of us walk with invisible bags filled with regrets, guilt, or nostalgia. But life is not meant to be carried like that. It's meant to be lived, right here, right now. You can't change what's behind you, but you can always change what's ahead. So leave your past where it belongs. Forgive, forget, move forward. Take a deep breath and live your present moment fully. Because peace isn't found in remembering everything. It's found in letting go. If you found meaning in this story, don't forget to like and share. And in the comments, tell us, what are you ready to let go of today? I'll see you again in another inspiring story. Until then, stay kind, stay peaceful, and live in the present.